Hey guys, it's Angry Bird back. So today I'm going to be doing another video, and remember my fidget spinner? Oh, sorry, the lighting is really bad right here. One sec. It does not help any. Remember this fidget spinner? It looks so much more cooler in camera. It's going way faster. But I spray painted a cap, and this is mine from Canadian Tire. Makes a lot of noise, but it's glow in the dark. You can't see it, maybe secretly tonight. Maybe secretly tonight. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna do that. I don't know. Who cares? It doesn't matter. I want to make a video tonight in the dark. This. And this one right here, I got these from Canadian Tire. They're called Crazy Spinners. This one's for my brother, but he's away right now. Oh, I'm not doing that. It's my favorite spinner. And we got my Papa one just like this, but right here, this stuff right here is all black, and right here, the gold right here is just it's gold. So I don't know about the fit, but it's not running the one of my grandma's. A lot of steps. Oh yeah, I kind of just really wanted to show you. I think it's pretty cool. So, like and subscribe for more videos. Well, pretty much it. So, yeah, there's not much to do here. At my house, I'm at my grandma's right now, but I get more. Not this one. It looks so cool on camera. I'm gonna get my dog in here. This one right here, I got this off Amazon, and I'm gonna get my dog. So it looks like my dog doesn't really want to come in. We got a kitty cat. And my grandma. Function. Oh, she just went on there. So I guess that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm gonna make another video later. Maybe 6. So I'm gonna upload it at 6. Not this one, but next video. So until 6. If you're hearing that, I swear to God, it's not me. It's Munction, my cat. Look at it. Munction! Kind of talk to her. Leave a like for Munction. Leave a like for Max in the next video. So, tell it. Oh my God, Munction, you want to say hi? What do you want? You like it? You like it? One second. Oh, she wants down. I'll let her down. Sorry, Munction. So until 6. Peace. Peace. They're not good at this. That's so trippy. So peace.